An Israeli airstrike in southern Lebanon has killed at least 10 people, Lebanon's Ministry of Health has said, as the Israeli military reported hitting a Hezbollah weapons storage facility. The death toll from the strike in the Nabatee area included a woman and her 2 children, and left 5 other people wounded. To critically, the ministry said in a statement on Saturday, adding that a residential building was hit. Israel's military claimed on its Telegram channel that the Air Force had struck a weapons warehouse of the Lebanese armed group, Hezbollah, overnight in the area of Nabatee, located about 12 kilometers, 7 miles, from the nearest point to the Israeli border. Earlier, the military posted on social media that its fighter jets attacked military buildings in the villages of Maroun al-Ras and Aida al-Shab, more than 50 kilometers 31 miles south of Nabatee city. Reporting from Nabatee, Al Jazeera's Ali Hashim said a family of 6 Syrians and other employees were living on the residential floor of a metal factory that was hit. The lower floor was storage area, with the factory's warehouse across from this building. Hussein Tamaz, the factory owner, said claims that this was a Hezbollah weapons depot were false. "We are a well-known family in the area. We have no political affiliation and are not aligned to any political party. We are concerned only with our business and livelihood," he told Al Jazeera. Hezbollah said it launched rocket and drone attacks in retaliation. The Israeli military said there were no casualties from the attack targeting the settlement of Lled Hashahar, as some of the 55 rockets launched fell in open areas. The strike is among the deadliest in Lebanon since Hezbollah started trading near-daily fire with Israeli forces in support of its ally, Hamas, and in solidarity with the Palestinian people since the October 7 attack on southern Israel and Israel's subsequent war on Gaza. According to the Armed Conflict Location and Event Data Project, Israel, Hezbollah, and other armed groups in Lebanon exchanged at least 8,533 attacks across the border from October 7 to July 31. Israel conducted about 82% of these attacks, totaling 7,033 incidents, killing at least 601 people in Lebanon. Hezbollah and other armed groups were responsible for 1,500 attacks that killed at least 23 Israelis. Tensions have soared after a deadly rocket attack in July killed at least 12 people, many of them children, in a Druze village in the Israeli-occupied Golan Heights, which Israel blamed on Hezbollah. Hezbollah denied it was responsible for the attack. Israel then killed Fuad Shukr, a top Hezbollah commander, in a missile attack in the suburbs of Beirut. Hezbollah has promised to retaliate, as has Iran, for the killing in Tehran of Hamas's political chief Ismail Haniyeh. The assassinations by Israel and threats of retaliation have prompted fears of a major regional escalation.